Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial I will show you how to do this quick and easy coaster. So let's get started. In order to make this coaster I am going to do a magic knot. So I'm going to hold my yarn, wrap it around my finger, insert my hook, pull my yarn around, I'll do a slip stitch. Now I will do 12 single crochets in this chain. So let me start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have my 12 single crochets. I will pull this loop to tighten the ring. Now I will slip stitch in the first single crochet. So this is my first single crochet. So I will slip stitch into it. So I will now slip stitch into the first single crochet. I will chain 3. So this chain is considered as the first double crochet. Now I will do 2 double crochets in each of the single crochets around. So I should have in all 24 double crochets including this chain. So I'll double crochet in the same chain space. So I have my 2 double crochets here. So here I have my 24 double crochets. So now I will slip stitch in the third chain from the previous row. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 3. In the second chain space, this is the second chain space, I will do 2 double crochets. This is my second chain space. In the next chain I will do 1 single crochet. Next I will do 2. So I will repeat this across till the end. So make sure if you're still with 1 double crochet, then you end with 2 double crochets in your last chain. So now I will slip stitch in the third chain from the hook, third chain. So I'm done with my row or round 3. This is how the coaster looks so far. So I'll start round 4 by doing a chain of 2, and now I will skip the next chain. In the chain next to it I will do a single crochet, chain 2, skip 1 chain, in the next do a single crochet, chain 2, skip 1, single crochet. So I'll continue to follow this pattern across. So my last chain I will slip stitch into the first chain space, so now I will do a single crochet in the next chain space that was created. do a half double crochet and another single crochet in the same chain space. So in the next chain space again I will do a single crochet, half double crochet and a single crochet. I'll continue this pattern across: single crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, all in the chain space. So I will slip stitch in the first single crochet, and I'll cut this loop. You can weave this end, and this is how the coaster looks. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. I will see you in my next tutorial. Thank you.